Nyambo. He's back in DC. Why? What's so special about DC?
Nothing. Nothing special.
You just want to see me, I guess.
When was the last time I was there?
I will 2 years ago. No, yeah, 2 years ago. 2022.
It's good to be back though.
Welcome.
Thank you.
See you soon. I'm coming. Hi guys. Dumelang. Sizojima la. Kago say hello. Hi, bo smile.
Hello.
How? Energy. Where's the energy? Are you ready to work out?
I'm ready.
But you don't seem to be okay.
Nah, I'm ready.
What you need? You need some energy drink?
Maybe.
Some energy drink, Zozo. You got some drink right here. You know what I'm talking about? They talking about nothing. Uh-huh.
Okay,
You know what I'm saying?
I could never do this. Yeah.
Why not? You can. But too.
Put it right here.
Uh-huh. Okay, go ahead.
Make sure you see me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. Able. Batum. This gym is so small, bro. Like, yeah. This one is the smallest. Hakuna next. I asked him to try.
How do they know when to switch though?
What do you mean?
Into that.
Why did you change my settings?
I didn't change
Yes,
it.
you did.
I did.
Yesterday you did.
I did.
Jesus.
Found it.
They talking about nothing. Go see him.
Why are you recording? Like, now you're giving me pressure.
What they talking about?
You saying it wrong.
No, I'm not.
Nah, it was.
Talking about nothing. They talking about nothing. They talking about nothing.
Yeah, okay. You were close.
Hello.
What's the menu?
Pagkabangan.
No, the page.
Oh Lord. uyayihleka yazi because ngikuzamile la.
Yeah.
Yazi ngizamile.
Oh, you did.
How?
Now you see, this is just proof. Like, I'm gonna get the purple ones. Let's try.
Be careful what you say, the walls can hear. If they listen closely, they'll take everything you hold dear. Stay sharp, they're watching. It's not about your reputation. Stay sharp, they're waiting to claim your dreams as their salvation. They hide in shadows, seeking cracks in your soul. Every word, every secret swallowed whole. Guard your fire, let it burn in disguise. For their hunger only grows when they hear your cry. Don't let them see the spark in your
What do you mean?
Yo.
Gee. Did you open this? That's not for that though. Gacho, you have to open one thing at once.
You just told me I have to open everything.
Not this, but this is not part of that. This is a different thing.
Really?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, wait, so this is for that.
Exactly. No. This
This is for that.
yeah, good shot. I will shot. Oh. So you opened the wrong tools.
Oh, that makes sense.
Lord forgive me. I'm about to kill somebody.
No, you see, this is why they say two is better than one.
Alright, Lord.
If I didn't have one.
Yeah. Where's that stuff? Did you put the screws here? You need them? Oh yeah, take. You have to check the numbers too.
It doesn't show.
Where's number 1?
I'm on number 2.
Yo, ina unamale dus na mawio. Where's my phone? Oh. Why am I wheels a step back? Oh, just in case it's heavy or when you move. No, I like this.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Let me see if this can fit you.
Wow.
Yeah. So organized. Kare, I'll understand why I'm putting this in. Why are you giving me that look?
What was it?
So why was she giving me that?
This is my natural look.
That's your natural look. There you go. Right? Oh, sharp. Next project.
Next project.
You know, Charlie, music.
My speaker is so far.
Yeah?
My speaker is so far.
Why were your speakers right there, dude? Oh, why are you here? Oh, look down, hello. Then police. Wow, Fandor.
You did everything.
Yeah. You got
So much.
Nazikiels. Nazikiels. Dejo, hizo más rápido. Bye bye. Kneel like this. Take a picture. Okay, we're all done. Thank you. Good morning, gorgeous. Sana. I can't wait to do or get ready with me. Let's go to work with me. Let's go to church. Eva. Hey, Lemira. It's getting expensive. Whoa. Drip check. Drip. I'm a drip. Ooh, it's about late episode. Let me go. Sang, take my back. Spawn ba. Sunshine. You. And my tea, obvious. Hey. Okay, bye.